How can I troubleshoot and fix my fireplace fan that is not working?
Hello, today we are going to learn how to troubleshoot and fix a fireplace fan that is not working. By the end of this tutorial, you should be able to diagnose and potentially resolve the common issues causing the problem. Safety is our first priority, so remember to disconnect any power to the unit before you start your troubleshooting process.
Is the fireplace fan getting power?
The first thing to check is whether your fireplace fan is getting power. To do this, disconnect the fan from the power source and use a multimeter to check for voltage at the fan's power supply terminals. If there's no power, the problem might be with your house's wiring or circuit breaker.
Is the thermostat working properly?
The next thing to examine is the thermostat, which controls when your fan turns on based on the temperature. If the thermostat is not working correctly, the fan won't turn on. Test the thermostat by increasing the set temperature to above the current room temperature and see if the fan starts. If it doesn't, you may need to replace the thermostat.
Is the fan motor broken?
The issue could also be with the fan motor itself. To check this, try to manually spin the fan blades with the unit turned off and unplugged. If the blades don't spin freely, the motor might be seized and need replacement.
Are the fan blades obstructed?
Finally, the fan blades themselves could be obstructed by dust or debris. Inspect the fan blades and the surrounding area. Clean any dust or debris you find using a soft brush or a vacuum cleaner. Always be gentle to avoid damaging the blades. Those were the basic steps for troubleshooting a non-working fireplace fan. If you've followed all the steps but the fan is still not working, it might be best to contact a professional for further help. Always remember that safety comes first when working with electrical appliances. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I wish you success in getting your fireplace fan running smoothly again.